no warning sound. Constriction force reaches nearly 90 pounds per square inch. It does not crush the lungs. It does not suffocate the prey. It stops the heart from pumping blood. The caiman dies before the brain can process what is happening. Most notable, it does not die because it is weak. It dies because it is in the wrong position, within a system of invisible pressure. Beneath the calm surface, death unfolds in complete silence, like many collapses, only discovered when it is already too late. The Amazon and Orinoco basins are divided by an ancient geological structure. No river visibly changes course, no cliffs, no markers. Yet it is enough to split one species into two. Eunectes marinus and Eunectes caiman look nearly identical. Size, behavior, hunting strategy. But their genetic codes differ by 5.5%, a greater evolutionary gap than that between humans and chimpanzees. The Amazon dry season does not kill with violence, it kills with time. Metabolism drops to the bare minimum, a forced state of estivation. Even in this state, few predators are willing to challenge it. Even a caiman hunter has no desire to provoke the queen of the Amazon's rivers. When the rains return, the hunt resumes. Rocket deer. A perfect meal in terms of energy. Mercury, a cumulative toxin. In shallow pools, a rare phenomenon occurs, a breeding ball. 13 male anacondas coil around a single female. No coordination, no strategy. Only constant physical contact. The competition lasts for weeks. The weak withdraw, the exhausted disappear. When it ends, only one individual achieves its goal. And afterward, the female consumes the remaining males. Not brutality, but resource optimization. That protein will sustain the embryos through 7 months without feeding. The continuation of the next generation is built upon the total consumption of the current one. In biology, this is called a survival strategy. No morality, no emotion. "30 hatchlings are born. 2.3 to 2.7 feet. No protection, no guidance. They drop straight into an ecosystem already shaped by piranhas, strong currents, residual toxins. There is no transition phase. Life begins by avoiding being seen. The individuals that survive the longest are not the strongest, but the ones that adapt fastest to an environment that was already distorted. Under the Yasuni moonlight, the giant individual Ana Julia dives below. The V-shaped ripples slowly fade. Indigenous people blow their horns. No pleading, no resistance. Only acknowledgement. The current is always greater than the individual.